Hello, traders. Listen, I've been gone for almost 2 weeks. I haven't made a video. We finally made some progress on this Lucid evaluation. We've added a handful of the Bulenox accounts, and I'm copy trading all of them live in Discord every single day, completely free. And I also want to talk to you about some things you might be doing in your trading right now that are quietly killing your results. And I want to share some stuff that's been going on personally. Some of it's good, some of it's stuff I'm working through. But I think being real about it is more valuable to you than pretending that everything's perfect. Also, if you're looking for the best prop firm discounts, I have relationships with many other firms like Lucid Trading, the Futures Desk, Perdia, Bulenox, Trade Day, Tradeify, YRM Prop, Humble Futures, Blue Sky, Earn to Trade, Funded Next, and the Funded Futures Network. Code RTF at most major firms will get you the best discount. Check my prop comparison sheet in the description for more details on those firms and more. Let's go. If you're new here, I trade prop firm accounts and I share every single trade I've taken in my Discord community, completely free. I share the entries, the exits. You see screenshots of my stuff. I do this daily. And I do plans daily every day. I release those on X and in my Discord also for free. Today, I want to do a full update on my prop firm side. I'm going to do some trading tips, a personal update. And I've got about 6 things that I want to hit here. So I'm going to move through them, but I promise there'll be something useful in every segment. So if you find value in what I put out and you're not subscribed yet, hit that button now. It really does help, and to make sure that you don't miss the next one. All right, so let's start with the prop firm update, okay? Let me get out of the way here real quick. Boom. Finally making some real progress with these Lucid evaluations. I have had this set now for quite some time. And if you've been following for a while, you know that we've been grinding through these. We're getting closer. I'll show you exactly where we're at here. And on top of that, we've added a handful of Bulenox accounts this week. The Bulenox accounts are going, they're pretty solid. I picked up 5 of those on the sale that they had last week. And that sale will be coming up again. If you join the Discord, I announce them as they come out. All of these accounts, the Lucid evals, the Bulenox accounts, and the Futures Desk account, I'm copy trading all of them live in the Discord stream. And I put these up every single day so that you can see what my profit loss is. You can also see what my entries and exits were. I put all those things up, not because copy me or anything. This is not like a group trading situation. It's just so that you can see what real trading looks like. I remember the first day that I ever traded, the first time that I ever traded, I was by myself, in my room, as we all are, because it's really easy to just get an account somewhere and start clicking on stuff. That's super easy to do. Anybody can do that. You start clicking on stuff. And I remember after the first day of trading, I literally looked at my stats. I can't remember how much I made or didn't make or whatever. And I said to myself, like, wow, there was like 135 trades that day. This is back in 2020. And I'll never forget because it was the day after an FOMC event. That's another story. It was actually the second day I traded. The first day was an FOMC. But in any case, so I was there and I traded through the whole session. I traded like 135 trades. And I remember thinking to myself at the time, I thought, I wonder if that's a lot of trades. I mean, it seems like it might be kind of a lot of trades, but I don't really know. I didn't know because I had nothing to compare it to. I had no idea what a lot of trades look like or didn't look like. And this is what I want to share with you guys so that you can see what real trading looks like, what it means to actually manage risk. The reason that I'm still trading with the Futures Desk is twofold. First of all, I got this copier for free. The copier is part of my subscription. It's not part of the subscription, but they will let you use this copier through their login. So you can get the copier if you trade Rhythmic accounts. Also, if you trade Ninja Trader or Tradeivate, you can get this copier with the Futures Desk as part of your subscription. Then the other thing about the Futures Desk is that you can copy trade with the Futures Desk, but you can also journal all your trades. It's all built in. You can journal real time. As you're placing the trade will pop up on the screen. And then you have the option of adding tags. You have the option of writing out what you were thinking, what you were feeling, and what you were doing as the trade unfolded. I don't know why this happened, but earlier this year, both Apex and Take Profit Trader have both dropped me now. Take Profit Trader made an announcement about it. We can go over onto X and find this. Well, Apex had dropped me before that. They dropped me because I wasn't meeting a minimum equity requirement per month in terms of sales and revenue, which is really frustrating because this is just as Robert Trades Futures was starting to take off and we were starting to bring in different relationships with other prop firms and more money was coming in. So from a business standpoint, it's like, oh man, well, this is a bummer. And they dropped me. So, and now Take Profit Trader yesterday on Friday, they also announced that they're going from a large open affiliate network to a smaller, more curated partner model focused on long-term brand alignment and responsible promotion. And I guess they're basically just following Apex's lead. So they dropped me too, which is a little upsetting because I've been with Take Profit as long as I was with Apex. But listen, it's okay. In any case, so that's the way that goes. But the next section, which is some mistakes. Okay, so there's things that I see sometimes, and we're going to talk about them real quick on social media. And probably the number one thing that I see is people taking like 12, 20, 30, 40, 50 trades in a day. What I was just talking about. Look, more trades does not mean more profit. It means more fees. It means more emotional decisions. It means more decision fatigue. It means more stress. It means more pressure. Less in trading is always more. Number two is revenge trading. This is the one where you feel like you need to make it back immediately, or you take every single stop personally and you take it like it's a personal attack on you. So you enter trades that you shouldn't. You size up to recover way too fast and you make it worse. I've done this. It's the fastest way to blow up the account. The fastest way. Then there's FOMO entry. So you miss the move. It's already run up 50 points. Your brain's saying it's still going, so you chase it. And then it reverses right as you enter. If you missed it, you missed it. There's always another setup coming. Don't force trades and chase them all over the place. It's a bad, bad habit. Mistake number 4. All right. Ignoring risk management. This is the one. I see the people with the wins on social media. Listen, I'm going to tell you a secret, guys. In order, like a 50K prop account, let's just say you have a 50K prop account with a $2,000 drawdown. It's pretty standard, right? And you're seeing people who are posting journal screenshots of $1,200, $1,500, $1,200, $1,500 every single day. They're risking everything to make that. You have to risk so much money to make $1,200 or $1,500. They're risking the entire drawdown every trade. And I know that some people will argue with me and say, yeah, but that doesn't matter, Robert. It's okay. Really? That's how you trade? That's how you're going to build a long-term successful career? That's how you're going to make this so that this is what if this is what you want to do for the rest of your life. You might not. You might just want to go gamble and see if you can get a couple, payouts or whatever, a couple $1,000 or something. And that's great. Fine. If that's what you want to do. If you're trying to make a career out of this, you can't risk your entire drawdown every single trade or every single day. You can't. It just doesn't make any sense whatsoever to do that. You'll never be long-term and you'll always be stuck in this. I don't understand why it's not working. I don't understand why I keep blowing up. It's because you're trading way too big. You have to risk way too much to make those numbers, the numbers that you see on social media. You'll see some of my stuff in the futures desk is bigger, but I have a much bigger drawdown on that account. It's a $6,000 drawdown. So I trade a little bigger in that account and sometimes try to get up around $1,000, $1,500 in a day in profit because I'm risking between $300 and $600 for that day. Not risking $1,500 or $2,000 or $6,000. I'm risking a small percentage of what I have available each day. And then I try to make money on top of that. Okay, good. So my own journey has been a lesson in every one of those things, right? The traders that I actually see progressing aren't the ones with the flashiest calls. They're the ones who bring boring, disciplined, consistent trading. The ones that you never see because it's not sexy. The ones that you never see because they're not sitting there telling you the things that you want to hear. They're telling you what actually works. And what actually works is super boring. What actually works is incredibly difficult sometimes. So here, now is the next one. I want to talk to you guys a little bit about this. I found a treadmill. This is a crazy story. I was walking outside. 2 times I passed it. Somebody put one of those walking treadmills on the side of the road to get rid of it. And I thought, man, I felt like God was telling me I should get that because I can put it on the desk and I can use it while I'm trading and I can exercise. Okay, so I carried it home with a half broken hand after the surgery thing. And I ordered a remote for it and it works. So I have that now and I will be using that each day to get some more exercise. The health stuff I've been working through, discipline in life equals discipline in trading. So there's a new direction coming next video and I want you guys to be there. If you're not in Discord yet, the link is free. It's in the description. Also, check out my prop firm comparison sheet. We'll show you all the different rules and the places that I'm associated with. If this video is useful, drop a like. It genuinely helps more people find my channel. Leave a comment with the trading mistake that you related to the most. I read everything. Subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next one. The new direction video is coming soon, and I think you're going to like where this is headed. Until then, trade safe, manage risk, and I will catch you next time.